Telecom Mini MBA program for managers. Learn key concepts, tools, and techniques. Telecom Mini MBA is designed for senior managers, middle managers, mid-level telecommunications managers acquiring in-depth knowledge in all aspects of the global telecommunications business, technology, leadership, and management.
The Tonex Telecom Mini MBA, Mini MBA in Telecommunications, is a non-credit program and leads to a certificate in management upon completion. This 5-day Mini MBA workshop surveys the core curriculum covered in most university-level graduate business programs.
The Mini MBA is quickly becoming one of the most popular ways of gaining business knowledge without the time commitment or the fees of an MBA graduate degree. Definitely, traditional telecom markets have been turned upside down as the growth in mobile services outpaces the fixed line, and the internet starts to replace voice as the staple business.
So far in 2022, telecom global spending is expected to amount to $1.46 trillion. You could think of the telecom industry as having several sides to it, such as everything that users experience from fixed-line telephones and broadband to mobile devices and apps, the infrastructure behind the scenes, the infrastructure behind the cloud.
Telecom Mini MBA course by Tonex. This 5-day Telecom Mini MBA program offers an overview of the key concepts, tools, and techniques that are required to succeed in today's challenging business environment. The program features focused learning experiences and case studies centered on vital subject areas in the business world. Candidates will learn and refine their skills in global telecom business and technologies, leveraging leadership, strategies and business planning, technology and business alignment, regulation and competition, organizational structures, operations, marketing, customer care and systems to achieve business objectives, and much more.
Earn a certificate which may be applied to the MBA. Ask a question. Request more information. Please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.